So this is the Jajamian restaurant we have come to.
We are watching.
So what we have over here for you are like...
Good morning, everyone. So it's Saturday today, which means it's my weekend. It's Ghanu's weekend too, but it's literally my weekend. When it comes to TV, it's his weekend. And there is our little boy storing his stuffed toys on his stroller. So now his stroller is his storage space.
Busy. They are hugging each other. What are they doing? Are you trying to make them hug? And let me reveal some new things that I'm doing, and you can ignore the messy table with Chocopie wrapper, Kit Kat wrapper, Alpenliebe wrapper. All three things were eaten by me at night, and Youngji randomly gave me this at night before sleeping. I have no clue why. So this is my another frame that I'm working on. This will go up in my room after some time once it's done. And I'm also making a crochet we couldn't brush his teeth at night yesterday because he was very sleepy, and he actually slept on in the living room on Ghonu.
Guys, I also wanted to mention, please watch this vlog till the end today, because we are going to do a giveaway. I mean, I've already mentioned it in the title of the vlog, so you probably already know. Plus, so please just watch till the end. I'll show you what we are giving away and how you can participate. So yeah, I just wanted to mention this at the beginning of the vlog.
Hi. Good morning. Good morning. 우리 양재. Good morning. 우리 양재. I just noticed I can see nothing. Nothing. I think it's not even 1 meter or so. It's crazy today. Wow. Let's see. It's 8:30 right now. Let's see what happens later. Mommy exercising. 영재 고딜라. Hey 고딜라. Huh?
Usually when I do this position, he always comes and climbs like a horse. But I'm a horse. Today he's not interested. Because daddy's home.
I guess so. What are you doing? Oh, careful, Youngji. How many things you put in your neck? Three.
शाम को जाके फोन करूंगी. अभी हम जल्दी में निकल रहे थे. हमें कोरियन रेस्टोरेंट जाना है. तो काम हुआ, फिर हमें आगे कुछ काम है. तो मैं... We are heading out now. And he's excited for his lollipop.
아니야, 괜찮아. 먹어, 형제 먹어, 괜찮아. Thank you, 형제.
Oh, you good boy. This is what Youngji did. He went and he stepped there, and now look what he's done.
And wash
We'll have to rush out of this society, Gonu.
들어가 봐, 들어가. 너 어떻게 들어갈 거야? 일로 와. 아, 이놈아, 뭐야 이게? 야, 맞.
No, we'll change his pants. I have extra
Couple
pants.
heavy.
And no, in the car. There's a special Jajamian restaurant in Gurgaon, and Youngji slept. Almost when we reached, he slept. So both Daddy and Youngja are going to sleep, and I am going to take you around what I'm going to do in that mall where the Jajamian restaurant is.
पर चेक भी करके आना खुला है कि नहीं.
Oh, okay, fine.
I think खुला है but in case. अब खुला है तो बोल के आना हम आ जाएंगे around आधा घंटे के बाद.
That much I'm not going to do.
ठीक है.
MGF Plaza Mall. It's really great if you want to buy electronics and wallpapers and stuff and lightings for the house. And also if you want to eat Korean restaurant, there's also a Japanese restaurant here. Anyway, so this is like one shop for all the light fixtures. There are a couple of them also. This is the Jajamian restaurant we have come to. And the name is K2. And we are going to order Jajamian. Gonu is looking at the menu. And there is Youngjae. Just woke up from his nap. Actually, he didn't take a very long nap. So he's looking so dazed right now. Wait.
तो ये उल्टा कर देते हैं ना ज़्यादा उल्टा.
And Thangsayuk. That's it.
हाँ वो.
So we'll be ordering Jajamian and Thangsayuk. So guys, this is Thangsayuk and this is the sauce. Usually they always pour the sauce on top of Thangsayuk. No, actually even in Korea they don't.
Depends people.
No, it comes separately because Korea it's usually a takeaway order and it gets soggy. So, but this is good. You can just dip the Thangsayuk in the sauce and eat with kakugi, damuji, and some onion side dish. So, those who don't know, Thangsayuk is like fried. It can be fried chicken. It can be fried pork. Usually in Korea it's fried pork. So we ordered fried pork, and the sauce is sweet. So it's a combination which is really tasty. And this is usually a total combination, Jajamian with Thangsayuk. And this is our Jajamian. Our family mukbang. So guys, there are many options, but I am getting this black one and this brass finish one. 2 of the brass finish one for my bedroom and 4 of the black ones for the living room. Guys, we are back. I'm so tired. Youngji didn't eat anything, so we are making him eat gobi paratha. So guys, I'm standing like this because my phone is on my tripod. Anyways, I'm going to do some unboxing for you guys. I ordered some stuff from Amazon, so I thought I'll just show you a lot of it. Not lots, but 3-4 things got delivered. 1 or 2 I've already opened, but I'll show you. So first I ordered these door hangers, for our bedroom doors. I've already hung one is still lying over here. I have to do that. So this is honey. I ordered some wild honey from Amazon only because after I read the news about, we used to have Dabur honey, and I used to think since it's a branded honey, and Dabur is a huge company, I thought like that must be like the safest honey for me to have, other than if somebody gave me like wild fresh honey from trees in their homes and stuff like that. But yeah, we were having that until the news came out that all of them are adulterated. And so I went on Amazon and I ordered this forest honey from Amazon. The reviews were good, so I want to try it. And some people already did the test on this honey and they put that review also on Amazon. That's why I bought it. So yeah, we'll see. Oh yeah, I ordered these really lightweight canvas boards. Not to really paint. I mean, I can even paint. I haven't decided. There are 4 of them. So I know that 2 of them I want to do some embroidery and frame them on these. So I ordered 4 of these because I don't have a woodcutter and I was not sure if I can find a carpenter to just do this small work for me. And I got this tape
this really strong tape that you can stick on wall and then really hang stuff on the wall. That was all the stuff that came today. Some of it will come on Monday. So yeah, guys, this is what Ghonu uses our heater for. Warming Young's clothes.
Warming my hands too. Oh yeah.
And towel also. So I'm going to the shopping complex to buy some fruits and get my last year's calendar, actually last year's calendar framed. Hey, what's that? What's that? Mama giving. What's that? Who's that?
Wow.
Peppa Pig.
That's
Peppa
right.
Pig.
That's a Peppa Pig. That's correct.
Give your hand.
We're watching once again these days.
What's a Korean name for this drama?
I have no idea.
I found it. I found this drama on Netflix.
I acknowledge what this is. I know already.
It's nice. It's like a family drama. Lot of characters and light-hearted. Nothing very serious or anything.
I know.
So it's nice to watch. So guys, it's 8 o'clock and before we go in our relaxed mode, I just wanted to show you what we are giving away. So what we have over here for you are like 5 Korean face masks, different kind. This hand cream, which is also a hand sanitizing cream. It's a sanitizer cream. It's got a really nice fruity smell. Even I use one of these and I like them. And it's actually not available in India and it is made in Korea. All of these are absolutely made in Korea, and I just noticed that they have an FSC packaging, which means the brand is pretty good because they're conscious about their packaging. And we have this double uplifting mask, V mask. It's quite popular in Korea, and we have one of these over here. This is also again not available in India, and we are giving away one of these. And then the P29 mask. It's a copper mask. Ghonu and I only use these masks. So basically copper is a fiber on which the virus cannot stay alive for more than 10 minutes, and depending on the temperature and everything. And it is very breathable, very comfortable. It doesn't hurt your nose. It doesn't hurt, like you don't feel this sort of pressure on your nose or on your ears in this mask. And I personally love this mask. I'm obsessed. I only use these. Sorry guys, midway Ghonu's phone space was full. He never deletes his videos from here. Anyhow, so yeah, P29 mask, and again, as I mentioned, we love this mask. And a couple of people asked us about the kind of mask that we are wearing, and at that time P29 was not available in India, but now it is, and I'll leave a link for that in the description box. So if you're interested, you can actually purchase it from Amazon, right, Ghonu? Yeah. And yeah, so that's it. I hope whoever wins these products likes them. Like I really like this hand cream. I really like the mask. I really like using these masks. I've actually never used a lifting mask, so whoever uses it can actually let us know whether they liked it or not. And to participate in the giveaway, please subscribe to the channel and make it public, and leave a comment below. And in the comment you can just let us know what are you going to do with these products. Are you going to personally use them or give them away to somebody, or just share them with your family members, whatever. And we'll pick a winner on random. So all the best guys, and I do hope you enjoy this giveaway. And this is like a New Year giveaway. We wanted to do something in New Year's, but we actually got a bit delayed, and before Jan ends I wanted to go ahead and do it. So finally we are doing it in this vlog, and we are planning to do more giveaways in future.
This is what he does.
This is the reason I make Lego for Youngjin.
Quietly playing.
Like he wants to build something on top of it, like, in his own way, which is very interesting.
And practicing fine motor skills. Fine.
So guys, it's 10 o'clock and Youngjae and Gonu have gone to sleep. Youngjae had a major meltdown before sleeping because he found his lollipop stack and he wanted to eat one and we refused to give him because he had already brushed his teeth. Anyway, so now both of them are gone to sleep. I was not so sleepy, so I'm just going to rest here and watch something for a while and then go ahead and sleep. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I hope you all had a great day, a great weekend, and yeah, please don't forget to participate in the giveaway. And yeah, good night, have a great day.